Maya and Gary are waiting for the ice cream. It's been evening from morning, still ice cream man hasn't arrived.
Is that the ice cream bell?
No, not yet.
I'm getting bored.
I can fix that. I can make something that sounds just like an ice cream bell. Be right back in 2 minutes. Bang the coat hanger gently.
Not very impressive.
Now watch this. Tie strings to the corners. Wrap them around your fingers. And put your fingers in your ears. Looks stupid, but listen it.
Wow. It sounds just like Big Ben.
Isn't it amazing?
It works because sound is carried by vibrating particles. When the vibration travels through the air, the particles are far apart, and the sound isn't that loud. But the particles in a solid, like string, are packed close together. The vibration travels straight up to your ear and sounds much louder.
Looks like the ice cream guy has arrived.
Hello friends, I'm sure you loved this video, so press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe the channel too. Here, we do a lot of interesting experiments. Go and watch all our previous videos. Thanks for watching.